Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Every Tuesday and Friday, I upload new videos on unboxing, reviews, wear and tear, comparison, what fits, how to style, and I also include mug shots of designer handbags, shoes, and accessories to help you decide whether or not you want that item to be part of your collection. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. So let's go ahead and get to the video. So today we are going to do an unboxing video. I'm going to unbox this Chanel Beauty. I'll take out the bow and the camellia flower. I love the packaging of Chanel. And it comes with care cards. It also comes with a dust bag and it says Chanel in the front. And I love the feel of the dust bag. It's really thick and you know that it's quality dust bag. There it says Chanel. And here you go. It is the Chanel small pouch in embossed camellia flowers. Look how pretty it is. Here I'm going to show you up close. And also the back is really pretty. I love the feel of it. It has a small CC in the front in gold hardware. And it opens to a black fabric interior. Here is the authenticity card. And there's a slit pocket on one side. And there are 3 card compartments. Not sure if you could see inside because it's dark. It says Chanel made in Italy. Also the hologram is, I cannot find it, but there's like a black leather sticky in the slit pocket. And the size is 5.75 by 3.75 inches. This is a small pouch you can take with you if you're gonna go somewhere and you don't really need to bring a bag. You can put in your cards, driver's license, your credit cards, and then some money. You can put it in the slip pocket, and also keys. If your phone is too small, probably it could fit inside. Maybe a lip balm. Let's see what we can fit inside. So here I'm going to use it as a catch-all. I'm going to put in my lipstick, a lip balm, some mint, and a hair tie. There's still enough space for all your little items that you need to bring with you. I like that when you close it, it still holds its shape. The leather is kind of stiff but flexible. Okay, so here we're going to try to, if we're going to a store and just bring your essentials. So here's my card case and some mints. Let's see if it's gonna fit. It's kind of tight over there on that side. And then I'll put in my lipstick and a hair tie. Definitely won't fit my phone in here because there's not a lot of space, but the car keys will, well, it fits there, but not the mint. Maybe we can just take it out. Yes, it fits perfectly. So with all the items inside, my phone will definitely not fit. So I'm just gonna take my phone and hold it this way if I'm going to a store. I wasn't really able to try if my iPhone XR would fit, so I'm just using my son's phone because I'm actually using my phone for filming. Okay, so I just realized that I don't really need to bring my key clay, my card case, because there are 3 card inserts that I could use for my credit cards and my driver's license. So I'll just take it out and I'll put in my phone, put in my keys, and then let's see, the lipstick, and there you go. I think I can go to the store like this, just carrying these essentials. Honestly, This small pouch is really nice. It's really pretty, as you can see, but I don't know if I am going to keep it because not all my essentials can fit. It can only be a good catch-all actually, but I think I'm going to get the large size. I think that would fit more of what I need to bring for my bigger bags, or I could also use it as a clutch, and I know I could find more use to it. So I hope you like my unboxing video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, on the next one. Bye!